Welcome back, nail queens. Today I'm going to take you through and show you how I apply Madam Glam gel polish over top of my clear dip powder. Madam Glam just recently came out with a new collection. Today it's their back to school collection. So I'm going to use the Cat's Pajamas gel polish over my dip powder for an awesome fall transition manicure. Here are the colors in their new collection, and they sent me 3 of those colors, so you can see a silver, a goldish hollow, and the solid. I'm going to be using the solid today, but that silver, it would make a great pair with this solid. Here are some of the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need a clear dip powder. You can use any color, but I highly recommend clear. This way it doesn't change the color of your gel polish. You're obviously going to need your gel polish color in any color that you want. You're going to need dip liquids, so dip base and activator, and a gel base coat and gel top coat. I'm going to get started by grabbing my clear dip powder and my dip base bond, and I'm going to dip my nail twice in clear dip powder. You can dip as many times as you like, but I'm only going to do it twice because I find that that's as much layers as I need so that I can still build strength on my nails and it's not too thick once I apply the gel polish. Then I'm going to let it dry, dust it off, and repeat my process. If you've never done this before, the appeal to doing this is that you get the strength of dip powder or acrylic, but you also get to use your gel polishes, do nail art, or even get to use your cat eye gel polishes or any special effect gels that you have, while still having the strength of dip powder or acrylic. Once the second layer is done drying, I'm going to apply a nice thick layer of activator so that my dip powder can harden and I can get ready for filing, shaping, and buffing. You want to make sure your nails are shaped to the desired shape before you go in with your gel polish application, and you want to make sure it's nice and smooth so that when you apply your gel polish, you don't see any lumps or bumps. After you're done filing, shaping, and buffing, cleanse the nail with some rubbing alcohol. That way you remove all dust and debris off of the nail and also remove the activator. Activator can mess up your gel polish application. This next product is completely optional, but I highly recommend using a protein bond on your acrylic or dip powder before you apply your gel base. This product helps ensure that your gel base coat does not lift and it makes the gel stick to your enhancement. So you can apply 1 to 2 coats and then go in with your gel base and cure that for 60 seconds. When your gel base is finished curing, now you can apply your gel polish. So this is the color that I'm going to be using today. It's called Cat's Pajamas by Madam Glam. So I'm going to apply 1 coat. It's not going to be super thick, so you're going to see that it's a little bit streaky as I finish applying it, and that's exactly what you want. You do not want your gel polish to be too thick because it can bubble up and start peeling later on. Repeat this process by applying as many coats as necessary and curing in between layers, following your lamp's instructions. I only do 2 coats of gel polish here to get full coverage, and then I finish off with a gel top coat. The gel top coat that I'm using here today is a no wipe top coat, so after I'm done applying it and curing in my lamp for 60 seconds, I do not have to wipe off any tacky layer because the no wipe does not have a tacky layer. However, if you choose to use a normal gel top coat that does have a tacky layer, make sure that you remove the tacky layer before you finish off your mani, before you apply any cuticle oil or anything, because you do not want to get lint on your nails. And this is my finished nail with dip powder and gel polish on top. I'm going to finish off my manicure by applying a little bit of cuticle oil around the underside of my free edge and around my cuticles to bring hydration back to my skin. I highly recommend using a cuticle oil after every single manicure because this process, the rubbing alcohol, the dusting, washing your hands, definitely removes moisture from your skin. So here's my actually finished manicure. I applied some silver loose leaf foils to the gel polish on the rest of my nails to give it a little oomph. So I hope you guys liked this video, and I wanted to show you a little snapshot of my cat. In the middle of filming, she decided to jump on my desk and say hello to everybody.